Hello to all the buyers at Stocklear. I am delighted to be with you today live from the warehouse in Liers in the north of France to present a batch from Grover. So Grover is a German retailer specialized in renting high-tech products, particularly for durations from 0 to 5 years, but on average, a maximum of 5 years, typically 2 to 3 years of product rental. These products are returned to them, they are checked. They have 95% of the time their original packaging, their accessories too. They are returned to us and then resold on the stock platform. So I invite you to look at a lot of cameras, mostly Sony, Canon, right here. We open the box, which will obviously be better repalletized to be sent to you safely. And here we have an example of a camera. So we just opened it right now. It's Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. We just opened it right now. So we can see that there are the user manuals. You also have, I'll put it down, the camera, which is in the small original protective pouch. I'll show you right after. We still have the battery in plastic blister pack, the security cord that's there, and the charger. So we see that this camera has slight aesthetic defects. So there are no major damages, but we can see it has been used. On the screen, we see very few micro scratches, more like fingerprints. I don't see any apparent dust, at least inside, so it's rather clean. The battery, as I showed you, is stored in its little blister pack. So the camera is in rather good condition. So it's potentially a functional used item. Regarding the qualities, pay close attention to the blue bubbles that inform you about the quality. Grover can offer several qualities from new to use to non-functional. You need to carefully read these qualities to understand the damages you have or don't have on the products. It can be minor defects, it can be signs of wear, but read these qualities carefully. It allows you to have a global view of what you are buying. Also important regarding transport, make sure to enter a delivery address in your account to receive automatic transport quotes in the offer. And finally, you have a little blue bubble to chat with us if you have any questions about the lots. You can ask us any questions you want and request us to call you back if you want. We will call you back as soon as possible. So we'll let you discover these offers online, and then very happy bidding to everyone. See you soon.